folks. It's about 6 a.m. and I'm up early because we're gonna go for a ride. So let's get ready and hit the road. Ready to hit the road.
It's going to be a good ride, couple of bikes, maybe a couple of extras as well, we don't know. But we're going to check it out and we're going to have a lot of fun and stick around and enjoy the ride.
It is a cold morning, folks, and I think the decision to wear leathers so far is a very good one. We are out on the road and it's just about sunrise. You can just about see the sun peeking through the trees. Folks, it is cold. Even with a little bit of sun out, it is still cold. It's going to be even colder once we get out into the desert. We're heading to our usual meetup place, which is a petrol station just before the desert begins. And we'll catch up with you there. So folks, our first stop is fuel. And over here in the UAE, we've got Special, which is our regular, and Super, which is our premium. And that is 98, and this Special is 95. I always go for the Super because just a little better. And there are a lot of bikers out here today, and mainly because it is winter and the season has started. So Friday is our weekend, and here's a lot of people out ready to make the most of this season. Hi there, Super full tank please. Well, we're on the way and we've got a lovely bunch of bikes. BMW's S1000R, CBR 600RR Repsol edition, we've got have a CBR 1000RR Fireblade, Yamaha FZ08, and a BMW S1000R. And we're going to be meeting a Suzuki further up the road. The weather is cold. The wind is cold, folks. I've got to tell you. I am so happy that it is winter here in the UAE. When all of Europe shuts down for snow and winter, over here this is when we can ride, and we are gonna make the most of it. The desert is absolutely stunning in the morning. The colors of the dunes and everything, I just love it. I know a camera really doesn't do justice. You really have to see this for yourselves.
You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like I can fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy. I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy. You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like I can fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
It doesn't look like much, but that's the end of the ride. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.